Dr. Andre Hattingh is a paediatrician on a mission, riding his motorcycle for a bigger cause. His epic journey is 7,000 kilometers long and 21 days around the country to form a circle for children and raising funds for sick children in rural communities.
There's an enormous demand for medical treatments and surgeries. A lot of our children do live in very, very rural areas. They don't have access to appropriate hospitals. Now it's easy for us, if you live in a rural area, to say, man, I'm gonna transfer you to Johannesburg Hospital, a hospital in Johannesburg. It's impossible. The parents do not have the money to go there, and if the parents do get there, where exactly are they going to stay? So those are all logistical problems that we face, and we've decided that it's much better for us that a medical treatment go to them instead of them trying to get to the medical treatment all of the time, which is very, very often a failure due to financial issues and of course logistics, like accommodation, like food, and so on. So we go to them, they don't have to come to us. Last year we've managed to do 420 children that could see a GP or a specialist, and we've managed last year to actually catch up a little bit on our surgery backlog that we had due to COVID.
Ride for a Child is an initiative by Paediatric Care Africa to raise awareness for the plight of children. Children are referred to them by doctors, hospitals, churches, and children's homes across the country for medical treatments and surgeries, which are often pricey.
We need to raise at least R500,000 rand. Really, of course, we really need. Our average cost for surgery is 59,000 rand. But if you go to the bigger surgeries, as soon as you open the torso of a child, we're talking about 800,000, 900,000 rand. So these surgeries are very, very expensive. So the minimum we're hoping for this massive effort is R500,000 rand. And we do ask the people out there, support us if you can.
Dr. Hattingh will be joined by other bikers on his Ride for a Child charity ride.
Well, it was always on my long dream of myself to do a nice long trip, and to do it for a good cause. I think that's a good cause for the people, you know, to help the children in South Africa, and you know, be part of a great cause.
Yeah, so I've been travelling around the world. I'm in my 20th year today, so just do that, really help people out, do charity stuff.
Children is very important. We must remember that children is our future. Their health is very, very important to us. And there's many children that does not have access to even basic health services. And Paediatric Care does that.
Later this month, on the 24th, Dr. Hattingh is hoping to break a world record of 4,500 bikers in a formation in Jeffreys Bay.
That group, if you do the mathematics, will stretch of a distance of about 50 kilometers, which in theory will make it visible from the moon. And if you happen to be up there and you put on your glasses, you will see us about the same size as your pinky nail, but nevertheless we will be visible from the moon.
A dream within reach for these life-changing heroes. Dumela Machogo, SABC News, White River.